हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। टुडे वी विल डू वन शॉर्ट रिवीजन ऑफ द चैप्टर 7 गेटिंग टू नो प्लांट्स। पार्ट्स ऑफ ए लीफ: रूट, स्टेम, ब्रांच, लीफ, फ्लावर एंड फ्रूट। Plant based on the height are of three types. First, herbs, plant with green and tender stem. Examples are coriander and mint. Shrubs, branches develop near the base of the stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. Examples are rose and mogra. Trees, some plants are very tall, have hard and thick stem. Creepers, they have weak stem that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground. For example, gourd plants. Climbers, they take support and climb up. For example, money plant. Let us study parts of the plants. First, stem. It help in upward movement of water. Leaf, आप फिगर देख सकते हैं लीफ की। स्टेम और लीफ के बीच में जो पोर्शन होता है इसको पिटियोल बोलते हैं। इसके ऊपर का जो लाइनें होती हैं इनको हम वीन्स बोलते हैं। बीच में एक प्रोमिनेंट लाइन होती है उसको मिडरिप बोलते हैं। और लेमिना, इसका जो ग्रीन पोर्शन होता है इसको हम ऊपर नीचे दोनों साइड होता है इसको हम लेमिना बोलते हैं। पिटियोल, इट इज़ ए पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ बाय विच इट इज़ अटैच्ड टू द स्टेम। लीफ वेनेशन, the design made by veins on a leaf is known as leaf venation. It is of two types, parallel and reticulate. Parallel venation, veins are parallel. Reticulate venation, it has net-like design. Veins are in net-like design. Transpiration, loss of water vapors from the leaves is known as transpiration. What are the functions of the leaf? Photosynthesis. Now we will do photosynthesis. Leaves of the plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They also use water and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is given out. Roots, they absorb water from the soil and hold the plant firmly to the soil. Types of the roots, two types होते हैं roots के, tap root और fibrous roots. टैप रूट एक सिंगल रूट होती है और फाइबरस रूट इसमें बहुत सारी रूट्स निकलती हैं। टैप रूट होंगे तो रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन होगा और फाइबरस रूट्स होंगे तो पैरेलल वेनेशन होगा। पार्ट्स ऑफ ए फ्लावर: ग्रीन colored leaf-like structures are present in the bud condition. They protect the flower in the bud condition. These are sepals. Petals are the colorful leaf of a flower. Anthers are yellow in color and pistil is green in color. Stamen has two parts, anther and filament. Pistil has three parts, stigma, style, and the lowermost part, ovary. Now we will do NCERT solutions. Correct the following statements and rewrite them in your notebook. Stem absorb water and minerals from the soil. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. B. Leaves hold the plant upright. Stem hold the plant upright. C. Roots conduct water to the leaves. Stem conduct water to the leaves. D. The number of petals and stamens in a flower is always equal. They are different. E. If the sepals of a flower are joined together, its petals are also joined together. They are separate. F. If the petals of a flower are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. The pistil may or may not be joined to the petal. Second question. Draw a leaf, a taproot and a flower. You have studied for table 7.3. ये मैं आपको अभी भी करा चुकी हूँ। टैप रूट ये दे रखी है, लीफ मैंने आपको इससे पहले कराया है। ये स्ट्रक्चर आप लीफ का बना सकते हैं। और इसको आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं इसी फ्लावर को। तो ये आपका फ्लावर का फिगर हो जाएगा और इसमें आप कलर भी कर सकते हैं। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, कैन यू फाइंड ए प्लांट इन योर हाउस और इन योर नेबरहुड which has a long but weak stem? Write its name and in which category will you place it? Yes, gourd or Loki. It is a creeper with long but weak stem. It need support. Now question number 4, function of a stem. It help in upward movement of water and it hold the plant upright. Question number 5, which of the following leaves have reticulate venation? Plants having reticulate venation are tulsi, coriander, China rose. Now question number 6, if a plant has fibrous root, which type of venation do its leaves have? Parallel venation. Question number 7, if a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, what kind of roots will it have? If a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, it will have tap roots. Now question number 8, is it possible for you to find out whether a plant has taproot or fibrous root by looking at the impression of its leaf on a sheet of paper? Yes, it is possible. 9, what are the parts of a flower? Sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. Now question number 10, from the following plants, which of them have flowers? Chilli, tomato, tulsi, mango, jamun, guava, pomegranate, papaya, banana and lemon. These have flowers. Question number 11, name the part of the plant which produces food and name the process. Leaves prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Question number 12, in which part of a flower you will find the ovary? Ovary is present in pistil. Now question number 13, name two flowers in which one has joint sepals and other has separate sepals. Flowers with joint sepals are cotton, datura, and flowers with separate sepals are rose, lotus.